How to use CopySmith iMarketing Enterprise properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. CopySmith iMarketing Enterprise is a powerful tool for creating content at scale, but most beginners make critical mistakes that waste time and reduce effectiveness. You won't believe how small errors can cost months of work. One common mistake is relying solely on AI-generated content without human editing. Beginners often think AI outputs are perfect, but the truth is, CopySmith can produce generic, repetitive, or factually incorrect content. Always review and refine every piece before publishing. For example, an AI-generated email campaign might have engaging sentences but miss your brand's voice or include outdated statistics. Another mistake is ignoring the platform's advanced features. Many users stick to simple content generation, ignoring templates, tone adjustments, and multilingual capabilities. Leveraging these tools ensures content resonates with your target audience and maintains consistency across channels. For instance, adjusting tone settings for social media posts versus blog content can significantly improve engagement. Overlooking workflow integration is another beginner trap. CopySmith Enterprise allows team collaboration and content approvals, but beginners often skip these steps, leading to duplicated efforts or inconsistent messaging. Setting up proper workflows ensures each piece moves smoothly from draft to approval and finally to distribution. Data-driven insights are underused as well. CopySmith provides analytics on performance, engagement, and content trends. Beginners may ignore these metrics, missing opportunities to optimize campaigns. Regularly reviewing analytics helps identify which headlines, copy formats, or tones drive the best results. Finally, content strategy alignment is often ignored. AI works best when integrated into a clear marketing plan. Beginners may generate content randomly, without considering campaign goals, audience segments, or SEO strategy. Align AI outputs with your marketing objectives to maximize ROI. To use CopySmith iMarketing Enterprise properly, combine AI efficiency with human oversight, leverage advanced features, integrate workflows, monitor analytics, and align content with your overall strategy. Avoiding these beginner mistakes transforms CopySmith from a simple tool into a powerhouse for enterprise marketing success.